So I believe that there's this triumvirate of data literacy, AI fluency, AI
Sure.
literacy,
I mean,
right?
it's about teaching judgment, right? I mean,
Yeah.
that's what we need to train our students to be able to do, and to identify when something coming out of an LLM looks right or when it doesn't look right.
Right.
That's the biggest problem, is it is a black box, and so
Yeah.
people who don't want to learn more about it just consider it to be magic and take things at a face value, or decide that the tool is useless and stop using it.
Yeah.
And I think the sweet spot is somewhere in between, where we understand that this is a point of leverage that we can use, to your point, to free us from a lot of the, the daily grunt work that ties up so much of our time and doesn't allow us to be the kind of creative agents that we can be.
Mm-hmm.
But it's about building trust, I think, that is also guarded, and understanding what the limitations of the tool are, and when it can be wrong, and how it can be wrong, and what I can feed into it, and what's dangerous to use it for.
Right. Right. So let's talk about Accenture Learn Advantage. I think I'll just state this. I think what your sweet spot is the understanding of the organizational shift, what should happen. So if I'm talking to superintendents in K-12 districts, which I do a lot, they need help not just understanding the technology, they need help understanding the transformation.
Sure.
Do you think you guys have a bead, at least superficially so far, on what that looks like? What's the end point? Where do you think AI is going to take everything?
So we have, I think if you could answer that question right, you wouldn't have to be working anymore. I think we knew with certainty.
Yeah.
But we do have a very close partnership with CMU, in addition to many of our ecosystem partners like NVIDIA and Amazon and Microsoft and Google.
Okay.
And we talk to these partners all the time about where we think the technology is headed and what the end state is going to be from a workforce employment perspective.